Installing GCC or GNU C++ compiler is straightforward. To do so, you need to open your terminal. Next, you need to check for the package updates. To do so, type sudo apt-get update. The packages are updated. Now we need to install GNU C++ compiler. To do so, you need to type sudo apt install GCC. Uh, One more thing, if you have not signed in, it will ask for the password. So whenever you run sudo command, it may ask for password. So GCC is installed. Let's verify if it is really installed. To do so, you need to check the version of the GCC. GCC double dash and then version. So you can see the version of the GCC is installed here. Clear the output screen and create a C file. Now we need to change our directory. To do so, type cd and dot slash to go to the home directory. In home directory, you can create a file by typing and then touch and then the name of the file. So program.c and a file will be created. Next, you need to open it in editor. For Linux, you can use Vim Editor or then the name of the program C. So now we are in Vim Editor. To go into the edit mode, you need to type I. So now you are in edit mode or say insert mode. After writing the program to go out of the insert mode, paste escape, and now you need to write colon W, save it. So this file is saved now, and now you need to exit. You need to just type semicolon W and done. So now next you need to compile the file. To do so, GCC you might need admin permission, so sudo GCC program.c. Okay, so it is compiled. Now you can see your directory here by running the ls command. So there is a file a.out. You can try .a.out. Okay, so it's printing out hello world.